Welcome to part 5 of our introductory video series to Jobcan. In this, our final introduction video, we are going to take a look at how the holiday request and approval system works within Jobcan. The holiday request system in Jobcan has been designed in a way that makes the application and approval process as simple as possible. When an employee wishes to make a holiday request, they will be able to log into their My page from wherever they are via PC or smartphone and easily submit a request. This request is instantly sent for approval by the administrator. Upon approval of the request, your Jobcan calendar will be automatically updated with the new information, making it much easier to manage your staff availability and easily plan your shifts in the future. The administrator, as well as the employees, will be able to manage their current holiday allowance, and holidays will not be permitted for submission if the employee does not have the correct holiday allowance remaining to cover the holiday period that they are requesting. You will also be able to set up weekends as well as national holidays that apply to your country. When creating holiday allowances, please ensure that you set up the Jobcan system so that it applies with your country's employment holiday laws. So this concludes our Jobcan introductory video series. We have covered the 4 basic functions within Jobcan. We hope you have a much better understanding about what Jobcan can offer your company as well as the features that will be available to you. Jobcan has many more features, giving you complete control and the ability to customize the Jobcan application to suit the needs of your business. You can activate your 30-day free trial from our website, which will give you full access to all the tools for you to experiment with. Just follow the information in the description below this video.